Welcome to this in-depth review of Enjuris, a popular online platform designed to provide free legal resources, particularly for those navigating personal injury law. This website offers a range of content, from comprehensive articles and guides to helpful tools for understanding your legal options. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Enjuris, from its layout and usability to the value of its content for both individuals and legal professionals. When you first visit Enjuris, the homepage greets you with a clean and organized design. The main menu at the top provides easy access to key sections like Personal Injury Guide, Find a Lawyer, and the blog. These sections are clearly labeled, making navigation simple, even for first-time users. Below the menu, you'll see featured articles and resources that address common legal concerns, such as dealing with insurance companies or understanding the legal process after an accident. The Personal Injury Guide is one of the standout features of Enjuris. This section breaks down complex legal topics into clear, actionable steps, helping users understand how to approach their specific legal situations. Topics range from determining fault in a car accident to negotiating settlements with insurance companies. Each article is well-structured and written in plain language, making legal concepts accessible to a non-expert audience. Another major feature of Enjuris is the Find a Lawyer tool. This allows users to search for experienced personal injury attorneys by location. The search results provide detailed profiles of lawyers, including their areas of expertise and contact information, helping users make informed decisions about legal representation. The blog section is updated regularly and covers a wide array of topics, from recent legal news to tips for navigating the legal system. It's a great resource for staying informed about changes in personal injury law or learning practical tips that could benefit your case. The articles are written by legal experts and often include real-world examples, which adds credibility and depth to the information provided. One of the features I appreciated most about Enjuris is its commitment to accessibility. The website loads quickly and is fully optimized for both desktop and mobile devices, making it convenient for users on the go. Additionally, the site includes a variety of free downloadable resources, such as checklists and templates, which can be invaluable when preparing for legal consultations or court appearances. In terms of user experience, Enjuris excels by balancing professional-grade content with an intuitive and user-friendly interface. Whether you're someone dealing with a personal injury case for the first time or a seasoned attorney looking for additional resources, the site caters to a wide audience. Overall, Enjuris stands out as a trustworthy and practical legal resource. If you're in need of clear, actionable advice or assistance in finding a lawyer, this site is definitely worth exploring. I hope this review helps you understand the platform's key features and how they can benefit you in your legal journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more reviews and insights on top legal resources. Thanks for watching.